Welcome to the Anybody's platform. In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to create an attribute-based subscription contract. This allows you to reward the holder based on the rarity of the asset, more specifically based on its traits. You are looking at the Anybody's Studio. In order to create your membership contract, navigate to the sidebar menu and select Subscriptions. You will see three options drop down: Membership Contracts, Booster Contracts, and Snapshots. Go ahead and click on the Membership Contracts. Here you are able to see all your subscription plans, including your drafts and archives. In order to create a new contract, click on the button in the top right-hand corner. This will take you to the Subscription Plan Builder. To create your plan, you will need to give it a title, and for description, you should give as much information to your community as possible. For example, how many tokens will be rewarded per day per asset subscribed. Below that is duration. This is where you are able to gamify rewards by adding maturity subscriptions. In other words, the longer an asset is subscribed, the more rewards are given. If you are not planning on using this feature, just select any random duration. Moving on to subscription program, here there are two options: collection-based and attribute-based. Collection-based results in a contract that every asset is rewarded equally. However, attribute-based allows you to reward certain attributes more. For today's tutorial, let's select attribute-based. Following that, you can select your reward token. If you do not see your brand's SPL token, you can head over to Tokens on the menu bar on the left to add it. Once you have completed this, select Submit. This will take you back to the Membership Contract Manager. Here you will see a few tabs: Info, Integrations, Collections, Maturity, and Fee Add-on. Let's begin with Info. This allows you to edit the title and description of your subscription program. You are also able to add an indicator to your community that tells them what other reward campaigns they can look forward to by selecting one of these boxes. Under Integrations, you are able to select the role in your Discord given to the members of your community that have active subscriptions. Under Collections, you need to upload a hash list of any sub-collections that your brand has. You can upload multiple files containing different token addresses and configure a specific daily reward to all NFTs in the file. To do so, you need to click on the Add Hash List button and upload your hash list. You will see that you can now click on the Show Attribute Configurator. This is where you are able to specify which attributes get which rewards. First is a filter field. This lets you filter by attribute. This filter only affects the displayed attribute list. Each of the boxes represents a single attribute. Underneath values, you are able to see each of the specific traits under that attribute. Looking at the traits, you are able to see two numbers. The first one is the number of occurrences, how many of these traits there are in your collection. Next to that is the percentage that they appear. At the top of each attribute is the max amount. This is the highest daily reward you would like to give the trait. Underneath that is distribution. This is how evenly rewarded rare traits are. For example, if your distribution is 100 for that specific attribute, each trait will be rewarded differently depending on its rarity. In other words, the most common traits in this attribute will be rewarded less than the rarer traits. This system does this for you, however. We do have the option for you to customize specific traits rewards. All you have to do is check the box. Once the box is checked, you are able to set the number of rewards for that trait. If you do this, changing the distribution amount won't affect the traits that you have individually set. The system works as follows. When a user subscribes an NFT, the system goes over each attribute and checks the number of tokens the trait of that attribute should receive, and then adds it all up. The sum of all traits is the daily reward the NFT will get. Once you have set the attribute-based rewards to your liking, be sure to click Save. Under Maturity, you are able to activate your gamified staking by setting up a leveling system where the longer you stake, the more rewards the user will get. Number of days per level are multiples of the staking contract's duration you configured when creating the membership contract. In order to activate this, simply click the toggle. Once you have done this, you will be able to add and control your maturity system. Here, you are able to add as many levels as you would like in multiples of the duration chosen, as well as how many rewards you want to add to the daily amount of every attribute. This ensures that users who commit to your subscription will be rewarded more over time. To see how your levels will work, click on Simulate. This will show you in an easily digestible way how your maturity levels will reward your users. When using attribute-based rewards, the base reward of each NFT is according to the sum of all traits configured in the Collections tab, resulting in each NFT having a different base amount. Be sure to click Save if you want to activate your maturity program. We also allow you to add on fees for any users subscribing to this plan. In order to do this, click the Fee Add-on toggle, then you will need to enter the wallet address and the fee you would like the users to pay. For every staking transaction that happens, the wallet you configured will be paid instantly with this amount. Remember to click Save to activate this fee add-on. You have now completed the creation of your attribute-based subscription program. If you navigate to the top right-hand corner, you are able to either archive the contract. Once you have archived a plan, there is no way to unarchive it or activate it. Once you have gone live, there is one last step to let your community start utilizing the platform. You will see at the bottom left Launch Community. Click on it and pay the setup fee. This fee will be used to create associate token accounts to cover the withdrawal transaction of the rewards by your users. If it's the first time your holders are staking, they will see a Get Verified button on your community page. Make sure they click on it to get the appropriate Discord roles. Another option, you can give them the link to verify directly at anybodies.com/verify. All of this is only possible with Anybody's. We look forward to seeing you build your community with these tools.